Hi, welcome to Neko Pet Shop. So basically this is a tutorial for the bottom to top cat tree. So basically you will have like 5 holes. Okay. So basically it's like 3 is the same length, 1, 2, 3. Then another shorter, and another one shorter. This one basically you have to like plan yourself which one to put at the top, which one to put at the bottom, and also you have to measure like how high is your house. Then only you consider which one you want to put all of them, or you want to like skip either one. Okay, so besides the 5 holes, you will have this one. This one basically is the top one to like start at the top of the roof. Then you have the screw and the okay. So like this. Okay, this one, the longest one, will be for this one, and the highest pull. Okay, this one you have to screw until okay it's like cannot anymore, so you put this one, 2 of them together until the end. So and this one basically you after you decide which one to become the final one, the top one, so you have to screw this one to like minimum, let it the shortest the better before you install all together. So you just twist until you think it's enough. Then only you put all of this together. So this one will be the base. So the base one, the screw is different. You will need this one. Okay, you can see this one 2 end is the same. This one is one end like this, one end with the how you say, the fat one. So you can use this one to screw it. Where's the bottom one? So basically you will see there's a hole at the bottom, so you use this one with the fat one. Okay, then you come out from here. I will like to use the shorter one as the base. Oops. So you can turn with hand first. Then use this one to screw. Okay, just tight. Okay, so next, so you will have like here. Then you use the 2 end, also same one. You screw it like into like half. If you are not sure where is the half, you can mark with a marker first. Then you screw it. Okay, after that, here also got a hole, so you just puncture tool. Then okay, you put on the second pull, also twist. Okay, make sure it's really tight. Okay, so just continue until the final step. So the final step is okay, after you put all the thing on, so you have to like estimate how much is the higher spot. So you have to like left like around this height, so you can deduct like this, then you screw, maybe screw up or screw down. Actually I just saw this one, but I'm not using this one because it's like a bit troublesome. But at the end, maybe you have to tighten with this one. So let's say now is the right one is just right, just enough. Then you screw it up until the maximum. This one also screw it down. Okay, so maybe you can screw with this one like this. Okay, hope this can help you. If you still have like unclear place, maybe you can contact me or like help. So happy installing.